we will check voltage in comparison to frequency. We have here a motor which is rated at 380 volt and 50 or 60 cycles. Now I will set frequency as 60, and then at the bottom of the LCD display just note the voltage in comparison to the frequency. I will set the frequency 60, and next I will put it to forward operation. Now it's ramping slowly, and just check out that the voltage and the frequency both are increasing gradually. As soon as it hit to 60 Hz, you see the voltage is around 375 or 374. Now it's not 380 because the supply for the VFD is 380 and the motor rated is 380, so there are some voltage drop inside the VFD. Next I will put it to 50 Hz. Now see the voltage, as the frequency decreased, the voltage also decreased. I will put it to stop, and I will show you another thing. I will press mode, and then I will jump to BAS group by pressing right button, and you see at the top BAR BAS. Now I will scroll down to number 15, and here I will change the rated voltage to 220. I press OK and then escape to come to the main screen. Now let me put the frequency as 60 Hz. I put it 60, and I will put it to forward operation. Now see the voltage change corresponding to the frequency. It comes 60 Hz and the voltage now is 220. I will put it to 30 Hz and the voltage should be half of it, and there it's 110 volt. I will put it to stop, and I will show you one more thing. We know the motor rated is 60. Now let's see if I put the motor rating 50 in DRV group. I go to DRV number 18, that's base frequency. I will put it 50, and then I will come to the main screen, and I put it to operation forward. Now it comes to 30 Hz and the voltage, instead of 110 it's now 132. Why? We'll find out when we put 50 Hz. Now I put 50 Hz, and instead of 220 at 60 Hz, now at 50 Hz it's 220. So what if I increase the frequency to 60? So there you see no change, the voltage is 220. So why there is no change? Because when you set the base frequency, the VFD will make the graph such that the voltage will match at the programmed base frequency. So we set the base frequency to be 50 Hz. So the voltage will be 220 at 50 Hz. In case you set the base frequency to be 45 Hz, the voltage will be 220 when it reached 45 Hz. More than that frequency, the voltage will remain the same. Whenever setting this parameter, we need to be careful that it should be as per rated of the motor. In our case, the voltage is less than the rated, so if it's done the same way at the site or in the field, it will generate less torque. And in case you increase more than the rated at lower frequencies or even at the rated, the motor will receive more voltage, which can damage the motor. So we need to take care of these two parameters, the rated voltage and the rated frequency.